Dear students, this is Miss Mavish. Welcome to online sport program of FSEC Photo Rawalpindi. Biology lesson for class 8th, chapter number 3, Biodiversity, week 8, lecture number 3. Objectives. After the completion of this lecture, student will be able to illustrate the work of some biologist on classification system. Dear students, today we will discuss about the history of classification system. Page number 36 of your textbook. Let's see the work of some biologists on classification method. First of all, Aristotle, a Greek philosopher who classified living organisms into two groups, plants and animals. Number 2, Abu Usman al-Jahiz. He described the characteristics of 350 species of animals in his book. He wrote a lot about the life of ants. Tournefort, he introduced the taxa of class and species. Carolus Linnaeus, his work provides the base of modern classification. He grouped species according to similar physical characteristics, physical features like their structures. He divided nature into three kingdoms: mineral, vegetable and animals. Mineral means non-living material like mineral oils, mineral deposits, etc. He used 5 ranks in classification: class, order, genus, species, variety. You have already learned about these terms in previous lecture. He also devised the method to formulate scientific names for every species. Devised mean to clear. Ibn Rushd in 1172, he translated Aristotle's book De Amina on the Soul in Arabic. It means life after death. Andrea Cisalpino or Casalpino, an Italian botanist who proposed the first methodical arrangements of plants. Methodical mean systematics according to rule in sequence. He divided plants into 15 groups called genera. John Rye, an English naturalist who published important work on plant classification. Then Augustus Ravenus, he introduced the taxon of order. Now let's see what we have studied today. Dear students, we have discussed about the history of classification system, in which we have discussed about the work of some biologists, what are the reasons, what are the bases and what are the characteristics features regarding to classification system. I hope you have good understanding of this lecture after listening this lesson. Success criteria to remember history of classification system. Thank you and Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.